Good morning. This is WellView 365's update for March 3, powered by freshnews.ai. Smart facility upgrades are forcing teams to treat waiting room communication as core infrastructure that safeguards patient experience. Today's Signal facility-linked patient messaging wires waiting room displays into the same smart infrastructure that runs environmental controls, room status, and wayfinding. This makes healthcare digital communication patient experience part of the core modern healthcare facilities smart infrastructure stack, with IT and facilities treating content, triggers, and uptime like any other building system. It also means decisions on screen standards, integrations, and ownership need to be locked in during current capital refresh projects. Why it matters? Here are 4 takeaways. First, you avoid one-off displays that break during facility upgrades and require manual workarounds. Second, you can trigger patient messaging from real facility events, not just time-based playlists. Third, you get clear ownership for uptime, support, and change control across IT, facilities, and patient experience. Fourth, you standardize hardware and integrations so new or remodeled spaces inherit the same patient communication patterns. How it works in practice? During a capital refresh, facilities and IT teams treat waiting room displays as networked endpoints in the building management and clinical systems map. They specify supported screen types, media players, and network segments, alongside sensors and occupancy controls. The patient experience or digital experience team defines content roles and the events that should trigger changes, such as long wait thresholds or check-in volume. Integration work ties these triggers to the content system, so messages adjust automatically based on live operations. Any new clinic or renovated area reuses this pattern instead of inventing its own display setup. One practical adjustment: this week add waiting room and patient-facing displays to your smart infrastructure inventory. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, list every active waiting room and patient-facing screen, noting hardware, player, and network path. Second, map which facility and clinical systems could provide useful triggers for patient messaging in those areas. Third, align with IT, facilities, and patient experience on a single standard for new and refreshed spaces. Fourth, document ownership, support workflows, and change control steps for patient communication screens. Thanks for listening to WellView 365 News and Insights. See details at wellview365.com.